Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make a rosemary chicken. I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 350 degrees, probably for about an hour and a half. So let me get started. Let me just show you what I have done. I have seasoned the chicken with just rosemary, the Creole Seasoning, and I cut up 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it on this tray. I let this chicken marinate overnight, so this chicken should be delicious. Get it out of this bag. Okay, I'm gonna put the wings behind the chicken. And I'm gonna take the liver, I have a neck, and I'm gonna tie the legs together. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this leg. You don't have to be all fancy with this, just tie the legs together, that's all you need to do. I didn't place anything inside the chicken this time, but I'll show you. This is really easy to bake a whole chicken. Well, I said I was going to put anything in the inside, but I'm going to go ahead and place this rosemary in the cavity there. And there's my bird. Now I'm going to go ahead and place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and I'll let you know exactly how long it took to bake this whole chicken. I just took this chicken out of the oven, and it is looking great, juicy. Low and slow is the way to go for this whole chicken. It's nice and juicy and perfectly cooked. Go ahead and cut this. The strings. All right. Look how nice and juicy that is. Look at that. You want a juicy chicken? Cook it at 350 degrees. 350 degrees will be great. And if you don't want to do turkey for Thanksgiving, you can do a whole chicken, and look at all the juice in the bottom of this pan. You can use that for your dressing, your keto dressing. Look at my recipe for the keto dressing. I will be making another video about another way to make the cornbread very soon. That way you have the cornbread recipe for Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm gonna put this plate. Go ahead and cut the wing off. Oh, so juicy. And with the breast of the chicken, I'm gonna make a salad, like a chicken salad with the breast. It is very good. That is our dinner. And the chicken is just seasoned throughout the chicken. It is very, very good. So all you need to do is marinate your chicken overnight with any seasoning that you like. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.